Famous Cyber Amos. All things tech.
Alright guys, so here's how to add the GPU CPU temperature. First go into the settings in your start menu, then go to applets. In the download tab, wait until it loads, and now type in temperature and you'll see CPU temperature and sensors monitor. Download this system monitor and sensors monitor and CPU temperature indicator. Once you've downloaded it, go to manage. So we'll start with sensor monitor, press add, and you'll see it will ask you to install additional packages for your sensors to work. So just follow the instructions and install it. Right, so once it's done, go into the settings of sensors monitor, then scroll down and you'll see run sensors, so we can test it out. Once we press and if it shows the temperature, then we'll know that it's working. And now let's try the example of sensors value. This will show you the values of your hardware. So here's ISA adapter core, the fans, voltages, intrusions ignored. So let's go into the first temperature tab. So scroll all the way down until you see temperature. You can see the rest of the options. Scroll all the way down to the options, then go to temperature, sensors. You can add new entry, or you can see the presets by renew the list of sensors and update display. Then you'll see the presets on your status, the presets of what you can display. So tick the box on both of this and you'll see the temperature at the bottom taskbar. So if you want more, you can just tick and it will automatically show you on your taskbar. So that's it. You can also play with the options. Go to voltage tab and renew the list of sensors and update. Then you can see whether you have or not. If you have, you can use it. If not, like this, if you try intrusion, renew and update, if nothing comes out, means that there's nothing to see. So you can play with the options here in the general settings, what you want to turn on or off. So now let's turn off this and try out CPU temperature. So once you turn it on, over here you can turn on any of these settings. At the bottom right, you'll see your temperature is there, the value is displayed. You can play around with these settings to change how it works. So yeah, that's it. Which one do you like? Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.